So among the post-COVID complications, we've heard of black fungus, we've heard of new diabetes, blood clots, heart, pulmonary and respiratory complications. But now doctors are reporting cases of a new challenge inflicting COVID recovered patients. This one's known as bone death. Avascular necrosis, that's the technical term, AVN, but it is more commonly known as bone death. Now, it is being found in patients who recovered from COVID-19 months back. As of now, 3 confirmed cases of bone death have been found, and all 3 patients reported pain in the femur bone. Basically, that's the thigh bone. All 3 patients were doctors and below the age of 40. So bone death essentially is caused when the blood supply to the bone gets disrupted, which basically causes a death of bone tissues, and that leads to necrosis. Now, bone death more commonly affects the femur bone, but it's not just limited to the femur bone. It can affect any other bone in the body. As far as the symptoms of bone death are concerned, the early stages of the disease are largely symptom-free. But eventually, there is extreme pain. Severe pain and problems are caused in the affected joint when you put weight on it, or if the person affected gets involved in any sort of activity which requires frequent mobility of the affected joint. Avascular necrosis can cause serious problems as the joint does not function properly, and it can actually lead to the destruction of the bones. Now, bone death is being considered as a serious post-COVID complication, and similar to black fungus, doctors are suggesting that bone death is also being caused due to the overuse of steroids while treating COVID-19 in patients.